Mechanical belt fasteners are well known in the industry as a quick and easy way to insert a repair piece into a damaged conveyor belt or fit a brand new replacement belt. Many hammer-in, punched or solid plate options on the market offer a short-term solution. When manually fitted on-site in hard to access areas, the clip will often tear away from the top cover of the conveyor belt over time due to poor or inconsistent tension across the width of the joint. This results in another breakdown and possibly a brand new conveyor belt. By comparison, our heavy-duty hinged mechanical belt fasteners are carefully selected for Zip Clip because they were originally developed for use in underground mines. Zip Clip belt fasteners are German engineered and manufactured from stainless chromium steel for superior strength, wear and corrosion resistance. These mechanical belt fasteners are a component of our Zip Clip belts. The belt fasteners are hydraulically pressed into the conveyor belt, achieving a face-like grip with up to 4 tons of force applied. Zip Clip is manufactured under factory-controlled conditions, ensuring consistent quality and joint strength. This is why a Zip Clip belt joint has the highest pull-out strength of any mechanical belt fastener on the market. And what's more, tests show that the tensile strength of a Zip Clip belt's mechanical splice is equal to or greater than the tensile strength of the conveyor belt itself. Zip Clip belts are connected by inserting a high tensile stainless chromium nickel armoured pin designed for maximum wear resistance, and our Zip Clip warranties speak for themselves. At less than 0.01% over the last 3 years, our warranty figures prove just how durable Zip Clip belts really are. Zip Clip replacement conveyor belts come with easy to follow step-by-step fitting instructions, so no specialist training or equipment is required. The Zip Clip concept is this simple. Keep a Zip Clip belt close to your conveyor so it's ready to fit when you need it the most. With just 1 hour fitting time, you'll be back up and running faster and more safely than anything or anyone out there. Join the Zip Clip uptime revolution today and start saving downtime dollars tomorrow.